Hi there, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this spectacular Jaguar XE. It's a 2-litre D R Sport finished in the gorgeous Fuji White paintwork. This 65-plated vehicle has covered just under 43,000 miles and is now available for a Motor Match Crewe. With this being a Motor Match vehicle, it will come with either a 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty. Additional services are also available. If this vehicle does interest you throughout the video, then please get in touch on 01270 864 408. Starting with the front, and you're presented with a brilliant bifunctional xenon headlights which incorporate LED daytime running lights, helping in a wide range of driving conditions. The menacing grained black radiator grille follows, which is complemented by the classy satin chrome grille surround and the R Sport front body styling. This Jaguar XE also sports the brilliant 18-inch 5-star spoke design alloy wheels, which as you can see complement the vehicle really well. Panning to the right, and you're presented with the lower body coloured door skirts, along with a classy R Sport satin chrome Jaguar side vents and the body coloured electrically adjustable door mirrors. This XE also features gloss black window surround, which ties in nicely with the overall aesthetic. The rear interior offers gorgeous rear leather seats featuring contrast white stitching and integrated ISOFIX points. Rear door speakers can also be found along with dual air vent and rear luggage netting, perfect on those long journeys. Progressing towards the rear of this gorgeous vehicle now, and you're presented with the subtle yet sporty fixed boot lip spoiler and the relevant Jaguar model badging featured in chrome. This vehicle also features the gorgeous rear LED signature lights along with the rear black bumper and twin exhausts. One simple press of the key fob will automatically open the boot lid, like so, which reveals a generous amount of boot space. That's 455 litres to be precise, which could comfortably accommodate multiple carry-on suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. As you can see, there is plenty of space here, a very practical vehicle indeed. Progressing towards the other side of this gorgeous Jaguar XE now, and you can really begin to appreciate just how amazing this vehicle looks, especially as it is finished in the gorgeous Fuji White paintwork and complemented beautifully by the 18-inch 5-star design alloy wheels. Jumping inside now, and you're presented with a gorgeous multifunctional leather trimmed steering wheel and a semi-digital instrument cluster. A neatly designed centre console follows, housing a touchscreen display, and the driver and passengers can also benefit from a brilliant Meridian sound system. Both the driver and passenger can also benefit from heated front sport seats featuring white contrast stitching. Returning towards the front of this vehicle now, and that concludes our 360-degree tour of this stunning Jaguar XE. Next, we'll be jumping inside to explore what the display has to offer. Sitting inside, and as you can see, this is a stunning place to be. Panning to the right, and you're presented with multiple controls, such as locking controls, window controls, and door mirror adjustments. Various multifunctional steering wheel controls can also be viewed, such as cruise control, audio options, and the ability to customize the clean and responsive semi-digital instrument cluster. Panning to the left once more reveals the fantastic 8-inch touchscreen display, which provides access to a wide array of functions, such as media, allowing you to choose from a vast array of your favorite radio stations, ultimately meaning that you'll never miss a beat when on the go. Climate controls can also be accessed here, allowing you to dictate the airflow, along with heated seat options, as shown here, allowing for both you and your passenger to find the perfect temperature on those cold winter mornings. A telephone option is also provided, allowing you to connect your device via Bluetooth, which is perfect for conducting hands-free calls on the go. And navigation is also available with yet another clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning you will get to your next destination in no time at all. And lastly, selecting reverse will enable the rear parking aid, which is perfect for assisting you in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses the brilliant dual zone climate control, which is perfect for setting individual temperatures, along with a sleek gear selector, additional driving modes, dual cup holders, and armrest storage. Thank you for watching this video on this gorgeous Jaguar XE, which is part of our Motor Match promise. This includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. An RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years is also available, along with flexible finance packages. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us today on 01270 864 408, and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching.